Hi you guys, I'm Lynn Kelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I am taking part in the Seasonal Wreath Challenge for Spring 2020, and it is hosted by Pam from Creative Homescaping. The rules for this challenge are that we are to create a wreath of any size or shape, and it can be from scratch or using a wreath form or revamping an existing wreath or embellishing an existing wreath. What I chose to do was use this wreath form. I chose to use this wreath form that I paid $1 for at the Dollar Tree. And then I used fabric that I already had. Okay, I used this piece of purple striped fabric. And then I used some of this beautiful green fabric from tablecloths I made for my oldest daughter's wedding almost 11 years ago. I had some leftover fabric, so it turned out great for this challenge. I made a rag wreath, and you can see that this has a lot of little loose ends, but that was okay because it kind of worked in with the bird nest theme that I wanted to use for my wreath. And then this fabric is a deep purple and kind of springy. It is left over from a storytelling cloak that I made, let me see, how long ago? Maybe 11 or 12 years ago. My storytelling cloak that I haven't used in a while. I would wear it to read. I'm stumbling here. Okay, there we go. It even has a hood. How cute is that? Okay, so I had fabric left over from it. It's just gorgeous fabric. I don't know what kind it is, but it's kind of a, not velvety, but very soft and cool. Very, very beautiful. Okay, so I cut all the little strips and then I tied them on the wreath form, and this is what I ended up with. And actually, this is the first one I have ever made, and I am very, very pleased with it. You have to kind of play around with the little pieces to get them to lay right. But once you hang your wreath, then it's going to be flat against the wall or door, wherever you hang it. And so the pieces are going to stay in place. Okay, let me show you how I did that. There we go. I need to tie a piece of ribbon on the back so I can hang it on a wreath hanger or a nail, because I don't have a wreath hanger. So there we go. I'm gonna arrange all the different little pieces. Some of them I might trim. This is a very easy project, but tying on all the little pieces is time consuming, so I'm going to give you a heads up on that. But my favorite part of this wreath is the little bird that I got at the Dollar Tree. And then I used some moss that I already had. I used tacky glue to glue it on. And then I used 3 different colors of raffia. Green, I believe I got it at the Dollar Tree. And then the natural, and then the dark chocolate brown raffia, which I already had. So I just actually am very happy with this wreath. And I'm so happy that spring is almost here. It's my favorite time of year. So that's pretty much it for my wreath. I am listing the link to Pam's channel in the description box along with the playlist, so you can go and see everybody else's beautiful wreaths that they made for spring. I want to thank you so much for coming by and watching. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you are not a subscriber already. And to receive notifications, hit the bell icon twice and it will send you a notification when new videos come out. So thanks again for stopping in and watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye you guys. Beep, beep.